Let's do a day one damage try on haul. We just got home here sa Airbnb namin and I'm going to be giving you a quick try on haul. Most of it are for events, so talagang alam ko sa sarili kong magagamit ko siya. Wow. Let's start with Lane JT. This is very, very ganda. This is super, super nice. As in, ano bang name nito? Ayan yung logo niya. Super ganda nito. I'm also gonna insert a clip. Very classy, elegant look. Ito yung binudol nila dyan sa akin. I swear. I just need a shaper. Talagang for events siya kasi look. Next from Cara Club. Pero it's not Cara Club actually. This is Rishi. At iba yung paper bag nila. Baka nagbago lang sila ng branding or I don't know. First thing we have is cute blue top. Wala akong picture nung sinuot ko siya pero ayan siya. Oh, it's a dress. Kita mo, nakalimutan ko na agad. Ang ganda ng fit nito sa akin. Diba? It's giving tennis. It's giving pickleball. I don't know. Next is Tin 4. Feeling ko talaga magagamit ko siya ng paulit-ulit. Hindi siya nakikita, pero ang ganda rin niya. Sana kinuha ko yung black. Those are the pieces that I got. So that's all for today!